Sir, today's topic, Indian Succession Act 1925, I feel this is very important for inheritance cases. But I want to understand clearly, how does succession law connect with valuation practice? Very good question. Succession law deals with transfer of property after death, and valuation becomes essential when property needs to be distributed, sold, verified for ownership. So this topic is highly practical for valuers. Sir, first, what is tested and intestate succession? Simple. Tested succession, when a person dies leaving a valid will. So, property is distributed as per wishes in the will? Yes. Intestate succession, when a person dies without a valid will. Then how is property distributed? As per personal laws applicable, Hindu law, Muslim law, or provisions under succession law. So, presence or absence of will changes entire distribution? Exactly. Now, this part looks detailed. Will, codicil, probate. Can you explain step by step? Yes. Will. A legal declaration of intention regarding property, effective after death. So, no effect during lifetime? Correct. Codicil. A document that modifies or adds to a will. So, like amendment to will? Yes, executed with same formalities. Probate. Court-certified proof of validity of will. So, probate confirms that will is genuine? Yes, and authorizes executor to act. Letters of administration. When no will exists or executor is not available, court appoints administrator to manage estate. So, ensures proper handling of property? Exactly. Now, most important, how does this impact valuation? Multiple ways. 1. Inheritance and estate planning. Valuer assesses property value for distribution among heirs. So, fair division depends on accurate valuation? Yes. 2. Sale by executors or administrators. Sometimes estate property is sold to settle debts or to distribute proceeds. So, valuation determines sale price? Correct. 3. Title verification. Valuer must verify will, probate, letters of administration. To confirm ownership? Yes. Any ambiguity affects marketability, value. So, if succession documents are unclear, property value reduces? Yes. Title uncertainty creates legal risk, buyer hesitation, lower valuation. So, final understanding, succession law governs transfer after death, wills define distribution, probate confirms validity, and valuers play key role in inheritance valuation, sale, and title verification. Perfect. Always remember, in valuation, ownership clarity is critical, and succession law ensures legal continuity of ownership. Understood. This topic is very practical. Yes, especially for estate-related valuations.